Every new journey begins with purity, values, and delightful hearts. We are the Dalmia Bharat Group, a brand, a legacy, and a name winning the hearts of millions since 1939. On this path of continuous innovation and sustainability, we now celebrate a new prominence with Dalmia Utsav Mustard Oil. Made with the goodness of natural seeds, a tremendous amount of purity, and the conviction of millions of people. Dalmia Utsav serves you natural and high-quality mustard oil that is sourced directly from the farm and brought to your plate. The journey begins with choosing the best quality mustard seeds from our farmers in Rajasthan. To drain out all the impurities and foreign elements, these seeds go through refinement on a macro level. The enriched seeds then make their way through the factory to an efficient oil extraction process, known as the first press method. This is a century-old technique through which seeds are crushed, and the luscious golden oil is extracted slowly, drop by drop. After extracting the essence from the seeds, the golden liquid undergoes double filtration to ensure that there are no impurities in the final product. After filtration, a stream of golden hope, the golden beauty, makes its way to the storage tanks, where it goes through a candle filtration process. The oil is scientifically analyzed through over 50 tests at top-rated NABL-approved laboratories to ensure that it does not carry any unfavorable elements and has achieved perfect quality and uniform pungency. Over 14 adulteration tests are performed to make sure that the golden liquid is healthy, tasty, and packs the goodness of nature. Since olden times, the purity of oil has always been measured by its pungency. We take utmost care to maintain balanced pungency levels to bring you excellent taste and rich nutrients from nature. Dalmia Utsav mustard oil is fortified with vitamin A, D and E. Enriched with omega-3 and omega-6, a regular oil intake can help boost your immune system. It has high levels of monosaturated fatty acids that work as cardioprotectors. The precious oil is then poured into attractive, user-efficient forms suitable for long-term storage. Dalmia Utsav mustard oil comes in diverse packaging options: 1 liter bottles, 1 liter pouches, and 5 liter jars. Here at Dalmia Utsav, our oil creation process happens on a large scale, be it the first press extraction method, the filtration, or the packaging. Finally, carrying with it the promise of unparalleled taste and quality and the rich legacy of the Dalmia Bharat Group, the 100% pure mustard oil makes its way to your home, serving love, warmth, and the true goodness of nature. वादा शुद्धता का, भरोसा डालमिया का। डालमिया उत्सव कच्ची घानी मस्टर्ड ऑयल।